Hi everyone, this is Tess. Welcome back to my channel. I'm on here to give an update for Sunday, April 15th, 2018. As you can tell, I got something going on with my voice. Throat's not sore, but the talking, I can't talk very well, so I'm going to make this really quick. As you've seen the pic before this clip, I am down 0.4 for the week, making a total of 115.6 pounds down and 44.4 to go. I do not have no clips of videos for this week for what I ate in the day, because last Sunday I had already recorded what I was going to eat this past week, and I stuck exactly to that. Next week I am going to have a couple days where I'll switch off the fish for some turkey burgers, but other than that they're going to be the same, but I will record pics or videos of those. So yeah, 0.4 down for the week, and I am okay with that. You know, it's a loss of the loss, and in the past, even I would really be so upset about having a 0.4 loss and not more than that. But this is supposed to be slow and steady, and if you want the weight to stay off, that's the way you got to do it. And I truly believe that, because for the past 5 years, excluding 2017, I would try to lose more than that, and then it didn't stay off. It would come back. So, you know, it's better to lose a little here and a little there. I think as long as I stick to eating a balanced portion control, it's going to, the weight's going to keep coming off. So, even if I was to even just only lose 115.6 pounds, I mean, I'm still thrilled about that. But I know that as long as you stick to what you're supposed to be doing, what you know that works for you and your body, the weight will come off. So I'm going to cut this short, guys. My voice keeps going in and out, and I'm not really sure. I've had some allergy problems during the week, so that's probably what it is. But I just wanted to get on here and give an update. And I want to say that I appreciate everybody and their support. And if I get to feeling better, like midweek, I may get on here and make another video. Because there was a few things I wanted to talk about, but apparently my voice isn't going to let me do it today. So you all have a great Sunday. Enjoy yourself and enjoy the next week, and I will talk to you again on Sunday.